Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and suddenly froze? Your brain goes blank, your words disappear, and you just can't say anything. It's frustrating, right? If this sounds like you, stick around, because today I'll show you why this happens and exactly how to fix it so you can speak confidently and naturally. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Phrasing when speaking isn't about your grammar. It's not about your vocabulary or accent. It's not even about how long you've studied English. It's a combination of mindset, habits, and the way your brain handles stress. And the good news? You can fix it starting today.
Reason 1. You're overthinking every word.
When you try to speak perfectly, your brain locks up. You think, is this right? Did I use the correct tense? Should I say this differently? And suddenly, nothing comes out. Stop aiming for perfect sentences while speaking. Focus on communicating the idea, not grammar perfection. Instead of thinking, I have completed the task successfully, just say, I finished it. Simple, fast, natural.
Reason 2. You're afraid of making mistakes.
This one is huge. Many learners freeze because they fear judgment. They think, if I say it wrong, people will think I'm dumb. Mistakes are part of learning. Shift your focus from being perfect to being understood. Practice saying things out loud, even if they're not perfect. Wrong? I go to the store. Native response, oh, you went to the store? Cool. See? Nobody judges, they just understand.
Reason 3. You don't practice active speaking enough.
Listening, reading, and writing are great, but your brain isn't used to producing English under pressure. When it's time to speak, your muscles and mouth hesitate. Practice speaking out loud daily, alone or with someone. Even 2 to 3 minutes per day builds fluency and confidence. Quick practice. Say out loud. I don't know. Dunno. I am going to call her. I'm going to call her. What do you want? What do you want? Start slow, then faster, then naturally. Your brain will stop freezing and your mouth will follow. Let's recap. Don't overthink every word. Don't fear mistakes. Focus on being understood. Practice speaking actively every day. Do this for a few minutes a day and your English will feel smoother, faster, and more confident. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what's the first sentence you'll try out loud today. More practical English tips are coming and I'll be right here practicing with you.